To tell the folks, they what kind of sad we have here.
Let me know. Guys, I bought some soil at the plant store. Oh, you see the expert when know if you take them out of the pan and damage the container, me cut them out. Welcome back to our channel and thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. I am Terry and Elaine, proud autism mom, and we are here to share with you tips and tricks of how we navigate through our journey right here on Autistic Edge. So today we are on another outdoor project. So we have some sweet peppers and hot peppers that we'll be planting out today. This time we got the seedlings and we had them a few days nurturing them. So they are now big. We are going to move them to a bigger pot and we're going to put them in our planter area. So this is our second project that we'll be embarking on. Alex loved the first project and of course, you know, we are going to have him do another project here. Now, as you know, Alex love, and love is an understatement. You have another word than love? Yeah. Alex enjoys the out of doors and any kind of project outside, he's going to want to be in it, if it is even to put his hand in it. All right, so today we are going to see him as he demonstrates his gardening skills in helping me to transplant these seedlings that we have here. We're going to put them in bigger pots. All right, so watch me as we go to work, okay? This one is Scotch bonnet pepper. This is pepper. What kind of pepper? Scotch. Say Scotch.
Yes.
Scotch bonnet pepper. Hold it this way. All right, come. Put it in the hole. Don't squeeze it. Just put it down. Put it down. Down. All right. Excellent for Alex. Come Alex, come and dig up this one. Come. Come now. What you doing? Leveling the soil? Leveling this soil. Come, put more over there. Come. Go. Mix up the soil, man. Mix it. Push it all the way down the bottom. Yes, very good. Dig. Beautiful. Gonna make a hole in the middle. Make a hole in the middle. There was a little hole. All right, let's take this out now. Hold this side. Let me cut the other side. Hold it.
Right.
Hold it. Hold. This pepper tree it's bearing again, right? Come, Alex, add some soil to this one. Take out some soil out. Alright, so we're gonna dig a hole in the middle now. Hold on. We're gonna dig a hole. We're gonna dig a hole. Dig a hole. You dig a hole. You dig a hole. But we're not putting the devil in this morning. We're in. Come on in, Alex. We dig a hole. We dig a hole. We dig a hole and put the pepper in. What we're putting in the hole? Pepper. Turn it around. Hold it like this again. Hold it. Very good. Hold it up to mommy. That's right. Move your finger here, Alex, and make nobody cut you. I didn't have to tell him to move his fingers. Beautiful. Whoops. Ow. Hold it here. Hold it. No, man, don't break it. Just hold it. Come, put it down now. Put it down. Come on. Slowly. Put it in the hole. Down, Alex. Down. Let it go. Let go. Beautiful. Alex. Excellent for Alex. Excellent. Alex, you did well. Alright, this is a nice Scotch bonnet pepper. Alex, I bought the project. So daddy have to help me finish. I just have 2 sweet pepper left. And this was a lot for him to plant anyway. But he did well. The hole in this one.
To tell the folks, they what kind of soil we have here?
Let me know. Guys, I bought some soil at the plant store. Oh, you see the expert I know if you take them out of the pan and damage the container, me cut them out. See? Beautiful. Expert. We cut it out well. We can do this one as well, right? But I cut it out because I wanted it to be a little bit easier for Alex to take out because he would just damage the thing. We got some peppers from this tree already, and now if you look at it, there's a lot more pepper.
Yes, you can see them.
Freshly plant. May have to mix more because it's freshly planted. It needs a lot of water to make sure that the soil is properly saturated. Yeah. Alex should love this part, but we forgive him this time because he got bitten by a mosquito. The mosquitoes will pay later. Alright, I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to the soil just to make sure that we properly saturate. We might get some rain a little later, so I'm not putting too much so we can grow on the trap. But alright, so here we are finishing our transplant and they looking lovely. Yeah. Alright, Alex abort the mission because he got stung by a mosquito. Alright, we're gonna deal with that in a little bit. But he will be fine, just a mosquito. As long as he don't carry any germs to make any adverse effect, he will be fine. But you're gonna enjoy the journey again as we grow some more sweet pepper. And this time, oh, by the way, the last time I did not know the name of this pepper that we planted the last time. But thanks to our friends from Blessing from the Garden, they take a look at our video and told us that this pepper was habanero. Did I get it correctly there? Yeah, it's habanero. That's the name of this pepper. So, all right. So it was a nice pepper. It's a little peppery, yeah, but it was nice. Cooking was nice. So we have quite a bit of young ones coming up again. And this time we got the real Jamaican Scotch bonnet. So these are Scotch bonnet and these three at the front are sweet peppers. All right. So good way to start or to restart after burial. After burial, we didn't get impacted. As you see, we still have quite a bit of greenery in the background. Our banana tree is still standing, ready to eat. Don't know what's going on to the tuna tree, but that tuna tree has an infestation. Don't know if my friends from Blessing from the Garden can give me a recipe. Anybody can tell me what to do with this tree. Don't know what happened to it, but it seems as it is being infested by something. All right, and here we have another little, we embark on a new thing, guys. And this is, let me show you what's happening in this pot. This is scallion. So we planted some scallion. Now these are just 1 week old. All right, thanks to my mother-in-law, she gave me these roots of scallion, right? Mommy Patsy, scallion them are going. Yeah. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to them this morning. Yeah, they are doing good. Just a little, not much. All right, so we're gonna leave it at that, and we'll continue with our walking. And parents, remember, get the children involved. These little projects are life skills. These are things that they can do, and later on in life, you don't know, they might be very good at it. It might be something that they used to do, make a living. So once again, this is where we say goodbye from this week's episode of Living on Autistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe so the next time we put out another content, you will be notified.